In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out on Google Drive. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Let's say, for example, you're going to use Opera or Google Chrome or Firefox or I don't know, Microsoft Edge or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So once you go and open that browser that you have, go to this URL section and simply type google.com/drive and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page directly, which is the home screen or the main screen of Google Drive. So if you have an account, make sure to go and click at the top right corner option sign in. And once you click on it, they will take you to this page if you already tried to sign in before. If you don't even have an account, you can click on try Drive for work or sign up at no cost, as you can see, if you don't have an account. If you click on it, as you can see, you can use for my personal use or for work or my business. Choose whatever suits you. Let's say, an example, for my personal use. So here you can simply enter your name, your last name, and etc. Anyway, and fill the other informations until you find yourself with your account. So once you signed in or sign up into your account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or the main screen on Google Drive. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to log out on Google Drive. And of course, if you want to do that, simply go to the top right corner option. As you can see here, that will be your icon. And once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find this sign out of all accounts option. So you'll have this option and you have another option to do it. You'll have to log in from another device. Once you log in from another device, click on your accounts, click on manage your account, go to security, then scroll down, click at manage all devices. For me, that's my current session. I cannot actually log out from it from here, but I can do that from another device. Just click on the device that you would like to log out from, click on it, and like this one is an example, click sign out and you'll be signed out, because from this option, you'll be able to sign out of all accounts, not just one. And if you want to do just from one, I showed you how. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.